Hi, I'm Sankar. I'm one of Silvia's students. Briefly, my situation before I started working with Silvia was I didn't have very good conversion rate. My conversion was below 1%. And when I started, I had no idea where my business would go from where it was, but it's phenomenal. And the results now, after just 2 months working with Sylvia, my revenue, which was on and off, has increased by about tenfolds. The best day I had so far is around $5,800 of revenue, and that gave me somewhere around $2,000 of profit. And for that day, I made 5,800 bucks. My expenditure on marketing was $230, and I never thought it was possible. Before I joined Sylvia, I had learned about e-commerce, but it was nothing like the knowledge. And especially in my case, I was doing the whole Facebook marketing strategy wrong. And she points out some mistakes. Most probably, she spots it. She spots a lot of mistakes, and she tells you, "You do this, you do this, you change this, you change this," and it's up to you to take action. And she just shows you where you can improve. And I took action. The mistakes I've made, and it made a huge difference. And also, she's not exactly like the other coaches out there. I have learned from quite a few of them. She actually cares about you personally to make sure that you improve as an entrepreneur and basically go out there to crush it. Working with Sylvia works. I can say that. Thank you, Sylvia.